welcome to my YouTube channel. It's another episode. Today I'm going to teach you how to make matoke without meat. Our ingredients are, these are our ingredients: salt, garlic, ginger, hoho, bananas, tomatoes, coriander leaves, carrots, onions, potatoes. So I'm going to start by peeling our bananas. We are going to peel our bananas. First of all, you apply some vegetable oil on your hands like this to prevent sticky substance from the banana sticking on your hands. This is how you are going to peel it. I'm going to cut it like this. So I'll put it inside the water to prevent them turning black. I'm going to cut these ingredients into tiny pieces. So I'm done cutting our ingredients. I'm going to fry our onions until they are golden brown. Our onions are now cooked. I'm going to add our ingredients. I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to allow this ingredient to cook for some time. Then I'm going to add our potatoes. I'm now going to add our potatoes. Then I'll mix them together. I'm going to give them time to cook. I'm going to add some water. Now I'm going to allow them to cook. So our matoke is now ready. I'm going to serve it. So our matoke is ready. This is how I've served it. So that's the end of our today's video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.